kami ngayon. Dito yung pick-up point. Sa tapat ng store. So, we're here sa Sun Plaza. At sobrang ganda ng weather. The sun is out. The weather is okay.
Yes, the weather okay. But we never know the weather because change really
Yeah,
quick.
okay.
So we live in the mountains, weather change really quick.
Okay.
So sometimes like that, but later it's like 2 hours and then it's change.
Yeah.
Yes.
You're from here?
I live in the village.
Oh, okay.
Yes. From here to my house 8 kilometers.
Oh, okay.
Yes. So we are Hmong people. We live in the village. So Hmong and village. He's only Vietnamese people.
Okay.
Yes.
What's again your name?
So.
So.
Yes. I spell my name S-O-S-O.
Okay.
Yes, so.
Yung tour guide namin. Si So. Waiting lang kami sa sa service. Kanina may lumapit sa aming bata na naka-costume na Vietnamese. So, parang may binibenta yata siyang mga keychain. Pero hindi namin maintindihan kasi umupo sa gitna namin. Ang cute lang. Ang nakakaawa. May tour guide tsaka may driver. Yan sa ate.
We took a car around 10 or 15 minutes to Phuket village.
Okay. 15 minutes daw going to. Ang first stop namin is Cat Village. Bantay nila. Tabi-tabi yung mga dito. Costume rent. Pero ang alam ko, may for rent din sa baba. So, parang mas advisable daw na sa baba. Kasi pag dito kayo sa taas, mag-rent. For the lakad pa kayo pababa. So, hassle-hassle ang haba ng mga gown, diba? Dresses are beautiful.
Yeah, really.
That's your national
Traditional.
Yeah, traditional clothing.
Yes, local clothes, but they have like
I'm sorry, I'm
different
doing
kind.
video.
Yeah, okay. Oh, hi, hello. Okay, so now we go from here and then only by state go to the Cat Center.
Okay.
Yeah. Only stay going down, so be careful.
Okay.
Go slowly.
Thank you. Oh, ito yung bababain nyo kapag naka-costume na kayo. So, mahirap. Mag-rent na lang kayo dun sa malapit. Buti naka-rubber shoes kami at bato-bato pala here.
So now we go around like that, okay?
Okay,
so
okay.
Later we now come back same way. So even you saw something you want to buy, you just do it now, go in there, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Picture, use the picture from here, go in there.
Okay.
But later now come back same way.
Okay.
We go different way.
Okay.
Yeah. Over there, so this,
Oh, it's
yeah,
cute.
This place is the family they building by their own.
Okay.
Every who go over there have to pay like 10,000. So 10,000 for one people. And then
Okay.
even you want to go, they just pay from here, and then you go inside, go to over there, take a picture in the village. Hi.
10,000 each. So, punta kami dun sa taas. Parang nakakatakot. Okay. Para kami nasa Encantadia. Okay. Okay. Diba? Doon. Diba? Ano naman siya? Hindi siya kahoy. Grabe, ang ganda ng view. Nakakatakot. So, picture lang kami quick. Hindi na kami siguro aakyat doon. Dito na lang. Okay naman, matibay naman siya. Mukha lang siyang kahoy. Ang kahoy. Yeah.
Okay, picture just going inside the kitchen. Just now, just
It's for free.
credit card over there.
Oh, okay. So, yung dito daw, free yung mag-picture-picture dyan, walang bayad. Huwag daw magbabayad kasi free naman daw yan.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Siguro mag-wear kayo ng comfiest shoes, sandals, kasi puro stairs, tapos hindi pantay-pantay yung yung dadaanan. Tsaka siguro kayo magdala masyadong maraming gamit yung mabigat, kasi kapagod, daming lakad. Ayun sila ate, naka-costume. Mas ganda ka talaga. Pag doon ka pa lang nag-ride. Tapos ganito yung lalakarin mo.
Inside here, there comes the flower in the garden.
Okay.
Now,
Yeah.
just go to enjoy the view. So you want to go inside?
Ano? It's okay? Yeah. Hindi pa daw season ng flower garden daw yun. Kasi hindi pa daw season, konti pa lang yung flowers.
So now we're going to the Hmong people house, to the local house. After that, we go to the rice party,
Okay.
after rice field, and then we go to the waterfall.
Okay. Ayun nga. Ang end game nga nito is waterfalls. Kaya ganito kababa yung nilalakad. More.
Hey friend, do you want to try
What's that?
the buffalo beef?
3 days.
Just try like this, and even you want it spicy.
Okay, I'll try. Okay.
You don't like spicy?
I'll just try. Woo! Konti lang kasi spicy daw.
And this cow.
Good.
That you try is different.
Ito daw is cow. This one. Malit lang. Maanghang ha. It's good. Yung cup yung mas masarap. Manamis-namis. Parang siyang dried kusina.
Fitting for one small bottle.
Okay, so may mga bilihan naman din ng mga ice cream, water. So hindi kayo magugutom kahit maglakad-lakad kayo dito ng mahaba. Ang malayo-layo pa pala kami.
This shop family also had a bathroom for the view. The bathroom, if you want to the bathroom, they also had a bathroom.
Bathroom, okay.
Oh, for me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So pag magpa-bathroom yan, may bathroom din daw sila. Binilan din namin si ate kasi for the pagod na. It's a long walk here. It's a long walk.
Yes.
May parang free days dito. Mahilig din sila sa mga dried fruits.
It's good for fire.
Oh,
Yes,
okay.
People live in the village, so we now cooking gas. We just cooking the fire.
Okay.
But, this for men. This for women.
Oh, okay.
Women was longer and the men was short.
Okay. Ang tela is from the plant.
You see?
Yung nagiging hibla daw
They
siya.
cut small like this.
Hello.
You just cut the by hand. You use the by hand. You just cut shear like small like that. You just put in the proper ink here around 5 minutes. And
Okay.
then green. Yeah, so even you want
Diyan sila nag-ano ng...
you want like this color
Ganyang
or like
color.
blue color, and you just make here.
Okay.
This people in the village, so they live in houses like this. Yeah.
Ganito daw yung mga bahay nila here. May probinsya.
You celebrate like wedding or funeral, so we will cook in the bigger one.
Okay.
This one, small one.
Thank you. Grabe, nakapasok pa kung sa bahay ni nanay.
This brother
It's marijuana
sister.
pala.
Yeah, brother sister like
Mm,
marijuana most older in the head.
wala na rin pala sa kanila. Prohibited na rin.
And this one, the people just planting made the clove. Yes, not for
Ah,
smoking.
okay, okay. Yan nga yung kanina. Yung ginagawa nilang tela. So, parang kapatid daw siya ng marijuana. Pwede din daw siya pang smoking. Pero, hindi na daw siya pwede. Ngayon, before daw, ano pa sa kanila? Pwede pa. Ngayon, prohibited na. I guess ito yung Cat Falls. Kaya siya tinawag ng Cat Village. Manila to 1925 pa pala by French. Ayan. Mga for rent na dito. So, kung mag-rent kayo ng costume, dito na lang sa baba. Para at least hindi kayo haggard. Maghagdan. Haggard na. Ang init. Traditional dance. Ayun, may sumasayaw. Kat Village.
It's Kata Center here, okay? So people dancing from here. We have like people making the clothes, cooking, people how inside. So even we have like 30 minutes
Okay.
for you walking around
Okay.
only here, okay? You just walking around here, take a
Okay,
picture.
okay.
After finish picture, you come here, I wait here, okay?
Okay, okay.
Yes, okay.
Okay.
So even like a tire and they take a seat here.
Okay, okay.
Yes,
Thank
yes.
you, thank you.
Instruments from most people to express the various mountainous atmosphere and mirroring the personal emotion sharing between young Hmong couples. The performers only need to pick up a single leaf nearby, put it on their leaf, and easily describe their feelings. Those simple and natural sounds mainly
So, dito na kami sa mismong Katkat Village. Grabe yung lakaran. Buti na lang pababa. Ewan ko lang kung paano to pa siguro yung weather. Huwag na kayo mag-jack. Mag ganito. Mag long sleeve. Sobrang init! Pagod na.
Oo.
Pero ano lang, ang ganda lang nung makikita mo yung culture talaga nila dito, no? Mula sa lumang bahay, lumang paggawa ng, yung mano-mano pa paggawa ng tela. Tapos kung gusto nyo ng parang mas deep na experience, ayan, mag-costume nga kayo, mag-rent kayo, no? Haggard-haggard nga lang. Mag-rent kayo ng costume. Feeling ko, kasama na rin yung makeup sa package. Pero mas magandang mag-rent na kayo. Dito na kayo mag-rent sa baba. Kasi kung doon pa kayo sa taas, tas ang lakad niya is grabe. Wala, haggard. Pahinga lang kami saglit. Then after nito, Moana na tayo, no? Balik na kami sa taas. Another trekking.
And now, the wax really hot.
Okay.
Make it like this. After we painting wax finish and then we bring dye and then we go blue. After we get the blue color already, so we keep the dry. After dry, we wash it in the hot water. So the water out. So we get something like this.
Okay.
And this one they made the scarf.
Grabe. Ano-mano yung gawa niya.
They also doing like the grandmother take the grandchildren.
Okay. It's part of the culture.
Yeah, they make from the wax from the
They have a school now or holiday?
holiday.
It's holiday today. So yung mga bata daw, nag-train din sila nung waxing.
And this
Pag holiday, wala silang
this like
pasok.
shaman people.
Shaman, okay.
Yes, so
May shaman
people
din
in the
pala
village.
dito. So, this is the Happy Bridge. Nabasa ko lang doon. Pinapila kami ni ate kasi doon daw longer walk. Dito daw shorter. So syempre doon tayo siya shorter. For the pagod na. So yung papunta dito, hindi mo na siya dadaanan. I guess. Hindi mo siya papalitan. Kaya, parang iba na yun. Uy, bigat na yung tuhod ko ah. Oh my gosh, ang taas-taas niya pa. Taas niya pa oh. Oh my goodness. Ganito na kami kataas. Ang hirap talagang pakyat. Hindi nga akong akit ng butok sa Pilipinas. Imbis nagre-relax tayo eh. Grabe. Tuloy mo. From there, nakit lang namin. Okay.
We finish the traveling. We go to Moana.
Okay, okay.
Maybe you are you the vessel.
Okay, okay.
Like 3 days, 4 days,
Oh.
for 1 week.
For 1 week, but how many years are you?
I do 4 years.
4 years. Okay. 4 years na pala siyang ano daw, tourist guide. Kaya magaling na siya mag-English. Pag nasa Apoktok na kayo, pwede pa lang sumakay ng electric car dito. 10,000 BNB each. So, pwede ka pa rin takarin. Pero hindi ko sure kung mas malayo. So, sakay na lang kayo 10,000 lang. Malayo-layo din. Diba? Malayo-layo rin. Sumakay kami ng ganun, oh. Pwede na. Tapos, dito na nag-aabang yung service namin. Our next stop is Moana.
Parce que quét đi bằng màu đi luôn tại vì vừa phát sinh phát 9 giờ sợ nó bị trùng ấy
Parang
nếu mà nó đi bằng màu cho đi bằng màu chứ không quay về luôn.
goodbye, Katkat Village.
Finished and then we come back to Moana.
Okay, the last stop is the Moana. Alpine Coaster lang muna. We're here sa Alpine Coast. Yung ganyan naman. OMG. Ito yung price niya.
So how many times you want to go?
Oh my gosh. Kinikilo pala oh. Kung pasok. So, see. Naka-on na to, di? Uy! Kumahan na yung tornilyo. Uy! Uy! Oh my gosh! Daddy! Huwag mo bilisan! Kasi bangin na yun Uy! Kasi pag pabangin eh. Ayan mo, pabangin. Uy, Daddy! Ha? Yeah! Alpine coaster! Kami lang yung nandito. Kala ko naman, kukunin mo na naman dyan. So, ayan yung view. Yung paakyat, sila na magkocontrol. Yan. Grabe yung taon. Uy. Nakakahiga ka pa dyan. Naiipit na kita. Nakakawit kasi.
Might get you 100 for one person.
Okay.
How are you?
No,
What more?
I'm good.
First row you sit together. For second row they go single. Together.
Oh.
One more.
I can't do it alone. Eh kasi naman, kapag mabangin na, parang binibilisan ko. Thank you! Yes! It's cool! In coaster. So, last stop na namin is Moana. So, ano lang na naman dun? Mga chill-chill na lang. Picture-picture na lang. Wala naman na masyadong activity na. May picture na naman kami. Ang ganda ng picture. Oo, hindi naman siya mahal. May hard copy, may soft copy na din siyang kasama. Kaya okay na. Here at Moana. Yung ticket kasama na sa tour. Yung sa Alpine lang hindi. Ito yung price. Tapos dito yung parang yung ticket yung may kasama ng coffee. Ayan, with one coffee or one soft drinks or tea. Kasama na siya.
Brandy go in there. Even you want some drink, and then you choose whether you want drink. Okay.
Free drink, okay.
Free drink. They
Okay.
has Coca-Cola and beer, like
okay.
drink, soft drink, and
Okay.
coffee.
So, we're here at Moana. Na-claim na namin yung free drink na kasama sa ticket. So, may choices ka na coffee, iced tea, coke, mga soda na available. Bumili kami popcorn. Moana. Ang dami niyang photo spot. Tapos, nag-avail na lang kami ng ganito. Ang in-avail namin yung digital file. Tsaka 50,000 VND per view ha. Per, yan. So, tatlo. Itong view yung in-avail namin. Ayan. So, digital file tsaka yung flycam video. Yung may drone shot. Pero sa isang area lang. Per area kasi yung bayad. 150,000 VND. So, in total, siguro wala pang 1K, 1,000 pesos yung babayaran namin. Pero, professional photographer na. Maganda na yung shot quality na. So, sulit na to. Kung group kayo, maghati-hati na lang kayo. Pwede rin magpakuha ng solo. Marami pa dun sa baba. Ayan. Ayan. Moana Sapa. So, ayan. Transfer nila sa phone. Spot lang siya. But I recommend to avail yung yung photography nila tsaka yung video. Photo and video nila. Sulit. Nagla-lunch na kami. Nagtanong kami ng anong recommended na restaurant ni tour guide. So doon na kami magpapadrop off. Then iiwan na kami doon. Kami na yung babalik sa hotel. We're having our lunch here. Wow. Mukhang kami lang ang turista rito. Lahat na kumakain dito, locals. Pero magandang ambience Ayan. Menu nila, may horse, may frog. Wow. Pero hindi namin tinry yun. Yung mga medyo familiar lang kami na food. Natapos kami sa tour mga 11:35 siguro. So, 3 area na yung napuntahan. Katkat Village, Alpine Coaster, and Moana. So, kayang-kaya ng half day. Actually, kaya din man din i-DIY. Thank you. Pork belly, pork ribs, tsaka fried rice. Watermelon, tsaka apple juice lang. Yun lang yung kilala namin sa menu. So, Viet Deli pala ang name ng restaurant. Viet Deli. Pork ribs, sweet and sour yata yan, and fried rice. Labas kami today. It's already 7:45. Nakatulog kami malala for the pagod sa trekking. Laki ng aso. So, dito na lang kami sa Biat Trekking. Kapitbahay lang ng hotel namin. Hotel din to with a restaurant. Wala nang view ng monorail kasi madilim na. Pero maganda yung view dito kaya ang dami kumakain. Ayun lang yung room namin. Ayun lang yung room namin. Sa baba ng may ilaw. Ayan. Kasi nalipat kami dito kami before. Lipat kami sa baba ng mas maganda. Famous din to kasi nga yung view ng monorail. Ang daming tao dito pag umaga. Get trekking coffee. Whole day. Tomorrow, mag-check out na kami going to Hanoi. Don't forget sunscreen. This is from Arcadia. Para siyang sunscreen primer na. Plaza. Picture lang kami dyan kasi yun nga, this is our last full day here. Tomorrow, check out na and travel na to Hanoi. Tao. Kami makasingit. We're here at BB Express. May merienda lang. Kahit 6:17 PM na. Maliwanag pa rin dito. BB Express. Sa ilalim lang to ng Hotel Sapa. Carbonara. Cheese stick. And mango shake. Alam ko magdi-dinner pa kami kasi kusog na kami. Past 6 PM na kami nagmerienda. tingin na lang kami sa mga convenience store. Wala ritong mga ano, yung mga 7-Eleven, ganyan. So, ito. Punta kami dyan. Hello, Sapa. Sobrang ganda ng vibes dito. Buhay na buhay. Nakakatakot tumawid dito. Ang bibilis ng mga sasakyan. Ito yung parang convenience store. Convenience store pala talaga. Pwede ba kumain din sa sleeper bus? No food pala din. Bawal pala magbaon. Parang onion rings pa to. Ito na lang. Parang onion rings. Ano masarap? Conveni Hall. Ito. Ano masarap? Mukha siya onion rings. Flavor. Haribo. Reishi. I don't know kung flavor nito. Ano masarap? Next. Ito. Chocolate. Pringles. Dio. Nawala kasi yung Dio. Ayaw kung nasaan. Ilang days pa kami dito. Init-init pa naman dito. So, sana mo yun. And vanilla ko. Tapos may tatlong ice cream lang na nasa. Bumili pa kami. That's it.